folks, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well and everything's fine. Where are you? Where you are. Today I have a fine, beautiful guitar. It's none other than the, let's put the tuner away, Gibson J45. And this is a special J45 from 2001. You name it, the Ren Ferguson era. And I believe it's a historic collection, although it only says J45 on the label inside. What makes me think that it's a historic collection, because it has the open, not the open, but the Clusen style oval button tuners and the orangey reddish label inside, and the sunbursts. Some J45s simply have incredible sunbursts. This is one of them. Dark, reddish, brownish, fading out. Yeah, it's simply beautiful. And the top is, I think it's the most beautiful Sitka spruce that I've ever seen on a J45. I think the Ren Ferguson era, around 2000 to 2011, when I'm right, in that period, Gibson, Montana, they chose so beautiful woods. So this is no exception. It has cross-silking, the medullary rays, perfectly quarter-zone, and it's almost got a three-dimensional effect to it. It's simply incredible. Look at this beauty. Yeah, and the sound is wonderful. Very woody, very open. It's almost vintagey. I put D'Addario EJ16s on it, phosphorbronze lights, and I play with the Dunlop Prime Tone O.73 mils. Really rings. There is a saying amongst acoustic guitarists that says you at least need two acoustic guitars, one that makes you smile and one that makes you cry. This is definitely more on the crying side, because it's sweet and mellow, lyrical. Resonant, woody. I've played dozens of J45s during the last years, and what I find in a good J45, you have that beautiful thick trebles. I mean, nearly all of them have great bass response, but when you find one that has thick woody trebles, then you know it's a special one, and this has it. fits in every genre. A classic design fits in every genre. Let's say the D18 or the OM18 or OM21, 28, the Hummingbird, the SJ200. This is great. Let's capo it on the 5th fret and do some flat picking. Sings. The J45 Historic from 2001. I will play it at least half of an hour more, but I will leave you with that for now. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a great day.